gonna do the New Belgium Voodoo Ranger IPA. It's 50 IBUs, 7% alcohol by volume. Where are these guys from?
Colorado.
Oh, Colorado. Okay. Yeah, Fort Collins, Colorado. So, give this a shot. I don't believe I've had this before, but I've seen it.
Yeah, that's a new can too.
Yeah.
Change the artwork.
Nice head.
Super gold.
Yeah. Smells like an IPA.
Yeah. Kind of piney.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Kind of the, I don't know, the typical pine citrus, you know, mango, peach. Yeah, very typical. Rain's out of hand.
Yeah.
Oh man, the hops are really good.
Yeah. I was just gonna say the flavor is really outstanding.
Yeah,
Shows
really
up.
flowery.
Yeah. It
Just
follows through too.
Yeah, good clean bitterness all the way through.
Yep.
You don't get that, like it kind of had that peachiness in the nose a little bit up front.
Right.
You don't get that in the flavor, really. More of a clean, just flowery hop
Yeah.
presence. It's good.
The flavor is amazing. Yeah.
Not too much bitterness or anything.
Right. You kind of get a little sense of the alcohol. I mean, this is kind of like a typical, percentage alcohol-wise.
Yeah, there's definitely some alcohol to it for sure. Well, it's not tremendously malty, so the alcohol kind of shows a little more.
Right.
You get a little maltiness, but I don't know, there's really like very little of that kind of caramel character to it. And
Absolutely, yeah. I agree.
I suppose that makes sense though, given the color, you know.
Uh-huh. That's pretty good. Like the whole follow through is great.
Yeah, it's a solid beer.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it's good, crisp, clean drinking beer.
Yeah. Goes good with something like burritos for lunch or something. You know, something with a little spice to it.
Fajitas or something, you know?
Yeah. It goes good with like other citrusy type of things, or maybe acidic stuff like a pasta, like, you know, spaghetti with the tomato sauce and stuff like that.
Yeah.
We'll kind of cut into that a little bit.
Yeah. Maybe just some, you know, linguine or angel hair with some rock shrimp and some sun-dried tomatoes and a little bit of this in the sauce and some garlic, just real simple.
Oh yeah.
You know, just some olive oil and let it go. The nice kind of sweetness of those rock shrimp in there, and
Oh yeah.
it'd be good.
That grilled stuff too, like, you know, fruits, tropical fruits and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, because this isn't tropical like everyone's trying to do, but I think that would go good with this as a food pairing. So
Yeah.
good, man.
Yeah, definitely.
Voodoo Ranger.